All right, we're back in the old garage. I just wanted to make a nice little clip for these KKE wheels that I just picked up for my crf450. This company, there really isn't much out there fucking about it. I made a post on one of the CRF forums and wanted to get some opinions about them, and I got, mixed feedback, some good, some bad. Mostly the biggest concern that I was getting was they might not hold up to hitting tabletops and all that type of shit, which I don't do. So these should be plenty good for what I need. I mostly trail ride, fucking dirt roads and regular trails, so should be more than enough. Just wanted to go over them real quick, and I already tried to make a nice unboxing video, and that, I don't know, fucking GoPro is a pain in the ass, and trying to upload a video with that fucking thing's a nightmare, so figured I'd just make a short clip on them. Yeah, so I mean, the wheels themselves, they look like really nice fucking quality. They're just black anodized aluminum wheels. Spokes and everything, I went around, they all feel nice and tight. The nipples themselves, they all, look to be in great shape. For what I paid for these, and I paid $322 shipped to my fucking door, which is very, very cheap. So, I mean, that will make you spectacle, like, you just never know with cheaper stuff. They came from California. They seem to be nice. They have a few different grades of wheels. These are like the cheapest ones they have. And the hubs themselves, they look fucking great. I'm pretty sure they're powder coated. I'm not positive on that, but I think that's one of the reasons they're cheaper. That's completely fine with me because they look fucking good. The rear, same thing, aluminum wheel. Spokes are all feel nice and tight. Nice hub. Comes with these spacers. And those look, decent shape. And it comes with these rim locks and an extra spacer, which I believe is just for a CR. But I'm going to be running these wheels on my crf450. I got it torn down right now. I'm going to be doing, got the old cam right there. I got a hot cam, stage 2 for it. Pretty much fucking ripping it down. I just want to go through it. It's fucking been neglected. Hasn't been cleaned in a long time. So really, I just really want to fucking clean it up and give it a good douching. I got a new cam chain for it. My adjuster was pretty much backed all the way out. Oh, screwed all the way in, I should say. So, get a new cam chain in it. New cam. Get the valves adjusted nice and tight. Get her all ready. I got a new exhaust coming. Big box of parts. Got all new body panels. And I also have a bolt kit in there, along with that Trail Tech stator kit that I'm going to try to run a headlight. Like I said, I ride a lot of trails and dirt roads, and I do like night riding, so I would like to be able to get out there at nighttime. I'm going to show you guys this. Fucking buffed this swing arm out last night. Subframe. Just polished that out a little bit last night. I didn't go too crazy because, as you know, subframe's pretty much completely covered up when it's together. But, I mean, it already looks 10 times better, Of course, it's an 05, so there's some gouges in it. But she does. They clean up nice. I usually just go straight with the old Scotch-Brite, those 3M Scotch-Brite pads. Take those along with some fucking Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and they come out fucking awesome. I love doing it that way. It's quick, it's easy, and they shine. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the wheels. They finally came in. They took about a week to come in, and they're nice, man. I would definitely fucking recommend them. I mean, for what I paid, you can't fucking beat that. Nowheres can I find a set of wheels that cheap. They're originally $3.79, and eBay gives out these coupons every now and then. You just gotta keep up on it. 15% off anything. So really, $3.22 to my door is what I paid. So we'll see after I end up picking out some tires, which I haven't been able to fucking decide on a set of tires. But I'm gonna get some tires and we'll get them mounted out. And I want to give them a shot, and I'll have to let you guys know how they hold up. Alright. If you like it there, comment, let me know. Yeah, always looking for suggestions. Alright, guys.